this is my first video on my new vlog channel. Now I'm actually going to be showing you two guns that I made. Hold on. Now, I think this is the first paper NERF rocket launcher ever made, because that's what it is. It's gonna be this one. It kind of does not look like this one, the one that I made. Kind of looks a little bit more crappy. Looks a little bit crappy. Yeah, looks a lot crappy without the rocket on it. But I made it as small as I could. Now, I made my very own rocket launcher. My very own rocket, let me show you. I made it because I don't have any guns that have rockets. I don't have any guns that have rockets. Okay, so this is the one that I made. It's closed right there. So my first, well, let me show you the gun. It's right here. It looks a little bit crappy. The barrel is very long. You have to do this a couple of times because there's the tape right there and it makes it like not come out. It makes it not come out, so you have to do that. It's not a pump action. It's not like the regular one. I made it like I made it extend so I could blow in the back. My first attempt was to like put this like this is how big the barrel was at first. That's how big it was at first, because I was gonna put this in, not all the way, but there was gonna be a tube, which was this tube right here, in here, in here. So whenever I put it in this tube, I push it with all my force, and then it goes all the way down this barrel right here, all the way down to it, all the way down to the rocket, and then pushes it out. And then like pushes it out. But that did not work. For some reason it did not work. It always got stuck. Yeah, it always got stuck, so it's not that secure, but it's secure. I was so excited that this worked. It does not go very far, but the reason why I made this one was because I wanted my very, very own rocket launcher little NERF gun, but because I just really wanted one, and I never had one, and my parents aren't getting paid until the weekend, so yeah, they couldn't get me one, so I decided, well, let's see if I could attempt to make my own. And that's what I did. Let me fire it. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. There we go. Now, I thought this was gonna be a fail because all the ideas I have that I think will work were fails. The idea that I had at first did fail, but I thought it wasn't gonna work with the blowing, but it did. Surprisingly, it did. It did. It did, bro. It did. Yeah, I know that kind of looks weird. I know it does look weird and very disgusting. But I have to do that because it always gets stuck. Always gets stuck on the tape. On that tape right there. So you have to do that. It's not very accurate. It doesn't go far at all. It doesn't go that far. But it works. I'm just happy it works. Yeah. The next gun I'm going to show you, I'm going to actually make a stock for this, but it is the regulator. Yeah, it's the regulator. The regulator. Ha 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 ha. Now, I don't have any. Now, since I'm in Laredo, I didn't bring any of my Nerf guns. Or any of my Nerf guns. I didn't bring any of them. So yeah. I didn't bring any of my Nerf guns. And so I didn't bring any of my Nerf darts. So I had to make my own Nerf dart. And I never had modulus. Again, I never had modulus guns. So, the reason why I actually went for modulus guns, for the modulus, is because if I make the darts, they're easy to make. It's just white, and then the tips are orange. And I have orange Sharpie, so I made the tip orange. This is it. I don't like it, though. I don't like it at all. It's fat. It's fatter than a regular Nerf dart. It's shorter than a regular Nerf dart, I think. And it sucks. Well, it doesn't suck. It works fine in this thing. Alright. Let's blow it out. I'm gonna make a stock for this right now. But yeah. It's gonna be awesome. 3. Now, just say this one goes farther than the rocket launcher. I think regular Nerf rocket launchers don't go as far. Don't go farther than regular Nerf guns. But yeah, I'm gonna do it. Yeah. Yeah. Now, I'm going to do an accuracy test. I'm going to put you right here on this doorknob. I hope nobody tries to come in. And I'll ruin it. Trying to put you there. It worked last time. There we go. There we go. Now I'm going to be all the way back over here. I'm going to be all the way back here. We're going to be doing which one is further. So first we're going to start off with this one, the modulus. The modulus, because this was the first one I made. The modulus gun. Alright, let's go. It went all the way to the wall, which I thought it was going to hit the door, but it didn't. Now I just need to find the Nerf dart. Darty, come out. Come out. Come out, dart. Oh, crap. I think I lost my Nerf dart. I'm gonna be looking for it. I'll be right back.